Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mall. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we have the DEERC 9308E full scale high speed. So let's open this up, see everything we get inside. I did charge the battery ahead of time, so you need a USB block, not included, and then basically the battery connects like that to the charger. So we'll put that off on the side. And then look at this. That is awesome. That is your manual. Make sure you go through everything on here because there's a lot of information.
I want blue.
Oh, it comes with 2 different shells, so very cool. Okay, and then some of the accessories, again, I had to cut this bag open to get the battery and charger out, so it comes with a screwdriver, cleaning brush, extra tie downs for the shells. And then in here, it comes with a extra battery. So you get 2 batteries. That's awesome. So you got like a lot of playtime. So put those off to the side. Okay, thank you. And that is the remote that is hidden underneath. And then here is the where you put the batteries, and you can see it takes 2 AA batteries. And so that is negative, so that goes down like that. And then that's the positive side, that goes down like that. And then this is the cover that goes on. And then it snaps, locks in place, so that's ready to go. And then these are the 2 different shells that go on top. Do you want green or you want blue?
I want blue.
You want?
Take off this.
No, we'll leave that on. But we'll show them how that works. So that is the green shell, and it has the ties automatically kind of put in place so that will stay. And then let me show you how this works. So you basically are just pulling these 2 little tabs, and then that will disconnect that. And then in the rear, same, you just pull that, and then that comes off. And then you can see the battery compartment, and then that's the cable. So it's got a nice battery tie. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to lay that down inside there like that. And then you're going to put the battery's little seatbelt on. And I'll give you kind of an indication of how rugged this thing is going to be. So you have 4-wheel independent shocks, which is absolutely awesome. And then we're going to connect this. And there's only one way to put it on, so if you have it backwards, and then that clicks into place, so you're good to go. But just to kind of give you an idea, so you have a front motor and a rear motor, so it is actual 4-wheel drive. And then that is your cover. Again, it goes back on like this. And then you hook this back up. And then over on this side. So that's how they lock in. And then a rear. Okay. And then your power switch. And then your power switch is up under here. So basically just push that, and then you can see the light action. So it's looking to pair with the remote. Turn the remote on. And then you have speed control here, so we can set it on minimum, or we can set it on maximum. And the cool thing about this, it also has steering alignment. So, oops. So if you needed to fine tune, adjust, so you can adjust that through there. So automatic alignment, which is absolutely awesome. And then this will turn it. And then this will let that go, and you can see a 4-wheel. And then if you pull the trigger forward, that's reverse, forward, reverse. And my little guy is anxious to get his hands on this. So we're gonna let him drive it around a little bit, and then I'll show you a demo outside. So stay tuned. Okay, that was slow. So we're going to turn it to max speed.
Then we done. Now my turn.
That thing. Anyway, Brian and Aim from Garage Wall, thanks for watching and be safe out there. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
I want to be here. All right.
Go backwards. Oh, backwards.